हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल. So this is my first video in this channel because I want to improve my English. So I have created this channel to improve my English. You know, English is a very important language in today's era. So that's why I want to improve because I have completed my study in Hindi medium. So it is not possible for me to speak in English because if you don't practice of English, so you are not able to learn English. If I talk about this channel, so in this channel only I will upload English type videos. So any type of video only I will speak in English. So any information maybe, but I thought I will speak in English. What I speak, it doesn't matter. Sometimes I will make mistake while speaking, but it doesn't matter. Only I am thinking. Only I have to speak in English because sometimes in starting days you face problem to speak in English. You know that. So I am very eager to learn English. So I want to be fluent in English. You know that most of the people know about English grammar. Like I also know about English grammar, but when I speak in English, so sometimes I get stuck because I have no practice. I don't practice daily. If you practice daily, so you can improve because it is very important part of English to speak in English. What you speak, it doesn't matter. Only you have to practice daily. It matters. It is necessary part to learn English. Okay, so friend, that's it for today. If you like this video, so you can hit like button and subscribe our channel, and I am going to upload different types of videos. Only I will speak in English in this channel. So we will see in next video. Take care. Bye bye.